Two ways to share your location on Android. I'm going to show you both, guys. I'll show you how to do it both through WhatsApp and Google Maps, okay? So let's get started. First, through WhatsApp, you're going to open it. With WhatsApp open, you'll click on the contact you want to share your location with. I'm going to click on the contacts page. Now you're going to click down here on the paperclip, click it. And by clicking on the paperclip, you'll already see the location option. Click on this option and you'll have two choices. You can share your real-time location so the person can follow you, or if you prefer, you can send the location of a fixed point, which is this second option. So you choose whether you want the person to keep following you or just send a fixed point. I'm going to click here on the second option, send a fixed point, and that's it. The person will automatically receive the location. By clicking, they can get there and see where you are. Let's move on to the second method. The second option is through Google Maps, okay? So you can open Google Maps on your phone. Here in Google Maps, you're going to click on your profile picture. In this case, there's a letter here, so I'll click on it. Once you click, you'll already see the option to share your location. You can click on this option. Here, as you can see, you can share it and they will be able to see where you are. You can click here, share location. They will ask for permission here so that Google Maps can access your contacts. You can click allow, and here you can choose how long you want this location to be shared. You can set it here for 1 hour, or you can increase the time if you want, 2 hours or however long you like, or until you turn off this sharing. I'll leave it set to 1 hour here. And then you have some options down below. You can send this location by email, by message, by WhatsApp, any way you choose. For example, if I want to send this location by email, I can click here. I don't actually need to send it. I can simply copy this location, okay? So notice that here, they ask if you want to share this link, and anyone with this link can access your name, photo, and your real-time location. I'm going to click here so this doesn't show up again, and then I'll click to share. You'll need to allow Google Maps to access your location here. I'm going to click here to allow it while using the app. Click allow again. As you can see, for me to share my real-time location here, they need to have access to my location at all times, in this case, the Google Maps app. You can click here to go to the settings, and in this case, I had set it to while using the app, but it needs to be all the time, so I'm going to select that option. Once you've selected the option, you can go back, wait a moment, and that's it. Here, you go to email because I had chosen to share via email, but I'm not going to send it to anyone. I can simply copy this link here, guys. If I want, I can copy this link here, and this link contains my location. When the person clicks it, it will open, okay? So that's how you share your location on Android. I showed two ways. It's simple and quick. I hope I was helpful. If I helped you, help me too. Subscribe to the channel.